Welcome to Chef Chloe. Hello, Chef. Hi.
Hi.
Well, okay, so now
I know.
Chloe the chef is going to make pancakes. Chloe, do. There you go. One more. One more. And one more. Thank you. All done. Mix. Very good. Then we need a bit of salt. All done. Mix. A bit of vanilla. Vanilla.
Yes.
Say vanilla. There you go. Very good. And mix. Okay. Now the eggs. Mix slowly. Mix slowly. One. Two eggs. And three.
Yes.
3 eggs. That's right. 3 eggs for the
That's
pancakes.
right. The
3
best
eggs for the pancakes. That's right.
The milk, the milk, the
And
milk.
now,
The milk, the
yes,
milk.
and now we add the milk. Add 1. Baby do. Baby chef. And this. Come on, chef. There you go.
One more.
Okay, milk is finished. Now, and now
And now,
we add the flour.
flour.
Flour. 1 second. And now, baby, do put it all in. All in. Do this. Hold on. Do this. And now mix. Mix slowly. Mix, mix, mix.
And now,
Mix.
and now.
Yes, mix. You just have to mix slowly. Mix, mix, mix. Very good.
And now.
And now we have to just mix. Do you want to mix?
Now, baby, do.
Okay, baby, do so mix. You can do it. This is Chef Chloe. She is making pancakes. Yeah, she's making pancakes. Yeah. We're gonna put inside sugar.
Now.
Shall we put choco?
Now.
Shall we put choco?
Yes.
We will put choco inside, and we will put maybe banana and sugar. Yeah? Do you want choco or banana?
No, please, mix.
Choco?
Mix.
Mix first, of course. She's a very talented chef. She's only 2 years old. Wow, look. Very good. More mixing. And now we put the electric mixer.
Wow. Wow. Big bang.
Wow, it's mixing very fast.
Bang.
It's mixing very fast. Wow, it's so fast.
Ooh, yellow.
Oh, yellow now. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow. It's because of the egg.
Yellow.
Yeah, it's color yellow. Very nice. Do you like it?
Yes.
I like it too. Chef Chloe is only 2 years old and she helps Mama make pancakes. She's so talented. She's a proper chef. A bit more. A little bit more. And a little bit more. Mama wants Nutella or sugar. Choco. Choco. You want to put choco. There you go. Almost done. Almost a bit more. And a little bit more. And finally a bit more. All done. All done. All yellow now. Now Chloe mix. The chef Chloe mix. Mix, mix, mix. Chloe mix. Thank you, chef, for the pancakes. Mix a bit more. More mixing.
No!
Mix. And then we take a little bit of butter. Butter. Put it here until it melts. And we wait. We wait. Have to wait. Very nice mix. Look, look. Very good. Yeah, we're making pancake. Look. To make pancakes. Mama will make pancakes. Have a look.
Wow, big one.
Big one, indeed. Very nice. Beautiful pancake. No. Now we've got the mixture ready, all ready. Now we have to make pancakes in the pan.
Okay.
Make pancakes in the pan. Chloe mix and Mama makes pancakes. Very nice and tasty. We're gonna make pancakes with choco. Almost done. Wow, look at this. Oh, so nice. Let's have a look. Let's show everyone. Let's have a look at the pancake. That looks very pretty. Wow. Very nice. Got Chef Chloe again. Mix, mix, mix. Thank you. Slowly. Mix, mix, mix. And ready. Very hot.
White.
And then
White.
we put choco on top of the pancake. Here's the choco. 1 second. And then we do this. And then we cut for the chef to taste.
No, baby, do.
Yeah, baby will do. There you go. And now the chef can eat. Baby do. Try. Careful. Is it hot? No, it's okay. Is it nice? Say yummy. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Is it tasty, Chloe? Make another one. Is it tasty? Say yummy. Yum, yum, yum. It's very, very tasty. No, it's cut now. You need the fork to eat it. There you go. Homemade by Chef Chloe. Yum, 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 yum. Say ciao.
Ciao.